friends, this is Vicki with Gramma Vicki Crafts, and today I just made a cute little Valentine decoration from all Dollar Tree supplies. These are just little straws, and I cut them and glued them to fit, and some flowers and a little wooden heart. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how you can just make yours in a matter of no time. So today I'm starting with a wooden heart from the Dollar Tree. It's just called a wooden shape. I've had this in my stash for a while, so I thought I'm going to use this today. Then I have some white paint, just acrylic white paint. I have two paint brushes, a foam brush and just a regular brush. And then I have some paper straws, and they look like this. And then I have an assortment of just some little flowers. So that's what we're going to use to make this little project. So first of all, I'm going to paint my whole surface with this acrylic white paint. So I have put 2 coats of the white paint on my board. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my straws, and I've measured up and I've made a wee mark with my pencil at 4.5 inches from the tip of that heart. And then I'm going to draw a straight line just very faintly in pencil, so that as I go along, I am going to be straight with my straws. So that's where I'm at right now. So I've got a 4.5 inch mark on my board, and now I'll take my ruler and I'm going to go across and just make a fine line with my pencil, and then I'll start gluing down my straws. Okay, so here's how this is working. So I'm placing the hot glue down, and I have my pencil line at the top, and I'm just taking my straws, and when I have my hot glue down, then I'm just placing my straw into the hot glue like that. And I'm going to carry on all the way across, and then I'll end up cutting these off. And I can probably use some of these pieces when I get to the shorter areas here. So here's what we have so far. I've got all the straws glued on. So now I'm ready to work with my flowers. Now, I have some little red flowers that I found, some little white flowers that I found, and just a little bit of greenery. So I'm going to start by just placing the flowers inside the little straw hole that's there, and make kind of a little arrangement. And we'll see how that is going to look. Then I'll add in some of my little white ones as well. And then the little green leaves that I've got, I'm going to probably just hot glue those on underneath the flowers like such. So we'll see what we can come up with. So here we have our cute little Valentine decoration. Very easy, very simple. And I just put a little red and white cord on the back of it, through the hole that was in the heart, just to use as my little hanger. So that's all there is to making that. So easy, but turned out so cute. So if this is something you'd like to try, I hope you will. So please give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and always remember to be kind. And thanks so much for watching. Bye now.